In this video, I'm going to show you the 1 minute entry strategy that has allowed me to be able to enter those sniper entries that you see me talk about in post, right? So make sure you watch till the very end as I show you everything step by step. All right, let's get started. All right, so typically you're going to have the market coming to your zone right here where you have a rather based drop supply zone, the market is approaching your level, right? What most people do is that once the market just taps into your zone, what do? They end up just selling, right? Without waiting for any sort of confirmation, which is very, very dangerous because I've seen it several times when the market just taps into the area, goes a bit in profit, and then goes and takes you out. All right. So, in order for you to be able to avoid all those things, what you need is a confirmation entry, a confirmed entry which you can do on the 1 minute time frame. All right. So, right now, we are on a 1 minute time frame. The market taps into your area. Once the market taps into the area, you go to the 1 minute time frame and then wait for a change of character on the lower time frame, right? What do I mean? You want to see the market coming into your area, tapping and breaking the previous low. The previous higher low has to be taken out. And once that has happened, it's going to tell you that the market has changed direction from being an uptrend to a downtrend. And then once this has been taken out, now you have to wait for the market to pull back into the area that the high that the market left behind. And that's why you now wait for a rejection before you can now execute your trades at this level right here. If you follow just this simple entry strategy, I'm telling you, you're going to avoid taking so many unnecessary losses because I used to do this in the past until I learned this the hard way. So let's go over it all over again. So you see the market coming into your area like this, then reacts, wait for the market to take out the previous higher low, which is this one right here. And once that has happened, what do? You wait for the market to pull back to that same high which was left up above here. And then that's why you're going to wait. Again, when the market just comes here, again, you don't just enter randomly just because the market is now pulling back. You don't just enter. You wait for the market to show you signs of reversal, such as a rejection candle, like anything that you use. It can be pin bar, it can be a what we call an engulfing candle, it can be any of those. Don't just enter randomly because this can also just cause the market to just go up like that and take you out and continue to go to the upside. But you want to see some sort of rejection as the market is approaching this level, and this is going to give you confirmation that yes, this is likely to actually go in my direction. If you can do this, you're going to avoid a lot of losses. Trust me. Back test this for yourself so that you can actually avoid taking those losses. All right. So let me just show you what happened on yesterday's trade. I'm sure if you don't watch this video, check the last video before this very one right here is the trade where I was breaking down this beautiful trade that we took on gold right here. So let me just show you what I mean by going to the 1 minute time frame, right? So for example, right here we are on the 5 minute time frame, okay? We are on the 5 minute time frame right here. So we have a nice ready base drop supply zone, we have liquidity right here, and then see what happens here. The market comes and actually taps into this zone, right? Then it drops sharply. And then what happened? The market came and actually broke the low. So the market made a higher low, then higher high right there. Then it left an area here. So what you have to wait for is wait for the market now to take out this low. Okay. And once that has happened, you now have to wait for the market to pull back into this area. As you can see, the market didn't just pull back to this same high. It kind of went above that high, right? So if you just enter prematurely, you might even like go a bit in negatives without unnecessarily. So what you can do is that wait for signs of it reversing before you can even actually take the particular trade. So what signs can we see from here? Let me go on the 1 minute time frame and let's see the signs that we're able to see at that particular level. So if you zoom in right here, tell me what signs can you see at this level right here? Very, very clear signs. So we are seeing the market which is reacting from this level right here. So we can see that we had a nice pin bar right here. We have a pin bar there. Apart from that, we had a nice bearish engulfing candle right here. That's your confirmation to enter because the market is reacting now to this level right here. Okay, so if you don't confirm your entries, you are going to incur a lot of unnecessary losses. Wait for a change of character on the lower time frame as the market is approaching your area. That's the only time you are supposed to now execute your trade. Don't just execute randomly because you've seen the market reacting from your area. You think that maybe the market is just going to continue just to go like that. No. Wait for the confirmation, and trust me, it's going to prevent you from taking unnecessary losses. So with that simple strategy, I'm telling you, it's going to change how you look at the market and how you take those losing trades. All right. So back test this for yourselves and let me know in the comment section. Come back and actually comment in the comment section. All right. So I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.